This is the trade review for Thursday, the 2nd of November 2023. And I was looking at Tesla today, although I should have been looking at Nvidia. But Tesla also traded well. And the reason why I wanted to look at Nvidia was because the pivots are much better on both the daily and the monthly. And on Tesla, this R4 level here kind of stopped the normal variation day a little bit short, but it's okay. And Nvidia just gave more room to the downside on this reversal. But Tesla was good to me. I saw the open. We had an open test drive at first, but it stalled and rejected and reversed. So that kind of set the tone for the day, which wasn't going to have too much conviction, at least for the short term. So I was waiting for that nice reversal. I actually also wanted to take a breakout, but it gapped all the points of entry. So I wanted to take an entry. If we engulfed the open price, I was trying to reverse from here as well. If we fail to get past the open price, because technically we had already gapped down, but it pushed through the open price and closed too far for my liking. And then it crossed R4 and closed with a really high gap from the R4 level. So it didn't really give a chance to enter long here, because if you did, you will be stopped out immediately, even if you use the pre-market high as a stop loss. So I waited for this chop, and we had a beautiful signal on the 2 minute and also on the 5 minute as well for a small pullback, I suppose. We were on a really nice area. I usually don't want to trade the reversal at R5, but because we have R3 as well on the floor pivots, and because this is such a beautiful, wonderful signal for a reversal, I forced myself to pull the trigger. I thought that I almost missed it because price dropped to 216, and I wanted to have my stop loss at R3. So I waited for the price to pull. It actually pulled back enough for me to make an entry with a 22 shares, a fairly nice size for me, and it dropped immediately. I partial aggressively to 2 to 1 because we were approaching the 20 moving average VWAP and the pre-market high, so I wasn't sure if we were gonna get a nice run to the downside. But actually we did. So I partial here, 2 to 1, and then 3 to 1, and 4 to 1, the last remaining shares, which resulted in a nice 3-hour trade. Could have partial here, but I wasn't sure we were gonna run that far off. But it doesn't matter. And I guess the last level will be R4, but we had this nice R6 trade, I suppose, which ended our day. So today we respect the rules, which is wonderful. I don't know if it's sleep time. Had our morning routine. Had an excellent pre-market once more. Adapted to changing conditions. Held for bigger, for longer. We hit our goal of taking only a beep trade or better. We took one trade, which resulted in a win, and 3 are today. So all of this is good. Green day today. Yes, and the trade that we took was an R6, which is an F trade. So let's go to the trades. It's an F trade. Yes, the book at the moment was a bit bearish, but not too bearish. We had stacks on both sides. F, yes, W and 3R. So that's it for the trading review. For me, I had a very good day. It's been a very good week so far, and it was a good month. So I can only hope that I can continue this in this mind frame. But I think it has to do with all the practice I've had and all the discipline to just wait, and I've gotten used to the wildness of the market, so I don't hesitate so much when I see the signal. So that's all good stuff. But yeah, it's been a nice little run that I've had so far. But I'm not afraid of having a losing day because I know that as long as I pay attention to the signals, as long as I understand the open, and as long as I continue to be patient, then the opportunities come. So very good day.